Hey everyone, you're here to figure out how to make this. Alright, so let's just get started. You're gonna need some materials. You can't do nothing without that. So you wanna go out and buy a flask. I went and got this, I think, from like a Hot Topic, something like that. Who knows? I don't know. It's metal. It's some stainless steel. This one's 8 ounce. You just go buy a metal flask, just like that. You know, it can be whatever size you want, I guess. I don't know. Maybe you want to make your own flask. Maybe you want to melt down some goddamn metal and do some stupid shit like that. Who gives a hell? Who cares, huh? No. So whatever. There you go. You buy that. Then you want to get some blue fabric. This I used from, I don't remember, it was some sort of like crap onesie that I got, and I just used it for spare fabric. So once you get that done, here's what you want to do. You want to take a permanent marker, just go like this, and go down it like that, and then do it in the shape of the 13, or whatever number. Like, you know, this is all 13 Canteen, because, you know, that's what it was. So once you got that, like, you want to glue it first. It makes it a whole lot easier, so you want to get some hot glue. Don't burn your stuff. Glue this to the thing, glue it around it. The cut on this one is a bit jagged. I want to make it look a bit messy. Alright, once you do that, you want to take fabric paint, like that, and paint the area where you drew the 13, or I guess traced the 13. There it is on the back, like it is. And yeah, this does hold liquid. So that's all it is. Pretty simple. That's the job done. The one I bought is pretty good, you know, and it serves as a nice cosplay piece, especially with my Vault 13 jumpsuit, which, you know, I'll probably want to do a video on it. Anyways, whatever. Thanks for watching this. Whatever you want to call this at this point. Is it a tutorial? Probably no, not really. I'm just sitting here talking out my ass. So,